Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing your data and resources. First, back up to Google Drive and export photos and contacts. Once done, verify backups complete. Make sure the phone has at least 50% battery or plug it in to avoid interruption. Next, sign out of your Google account and disable factory reset protection if possible, and remove any SD card or SIM to avoid accidental formatting. With these prerequisites finished, proceed to the Settings app to begin the reset sequence. You now perform the actual reset. Open Settings, go to System, then Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. This path may vary slightly by manufacturer. When prompted, confirm your device PIN or password and tap Erase Everything. The phone will delete user data and restore defaults. This can take several minutes. Once the process begins, do not power off or remove the battery and make sure it stays charged. After the reset completes, the device will reboot to the initial setup screen. You finish by setting up the phone like new. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account, and choose to restore from your backup so apps and settings return. If no backup, reinstall apps manually. Make sure notifications, accounts, and security settings are configured. If the device fails to boot or gets stuck during setup, try booting into recovery mode to wipe cache or repeat the factory reset. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer or carrier support for guided diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.